We're going to make the Deerstalker, which uses 3 elements. I've not sliced this one up. They have the flaps, and basically you have these sections here, and I'm using a pincer tool. It's quite clever really, because it closes by default, so you can actually hold it quite effectively like this, and use this element to keep the glue dry on the tab that I've used, the flap there, and these are called gauze. So I'm going to glue these gauze together now, overlapping them. So I'm just going to put a lot of glue over the top of the ends, and then you'll see what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to push the different elements over, and I'm going to not necessarily stick them at this point, but have them just bent over so that the action is there. So that the paper remembers what it's doing, basically. That one there definitely wants to sit like that. They're starting to go. And then I'm going to push up with my pencil. So I'm pushing all those tabs together. And then simply gluing these flaps either side. So I'm going to fold them up. And this was an element added on behalf of the backers of the Kickstarter project for Escape the Book Nook. Not my first choice, but it's a distinct nod to Sherlock Holmes. Just going to push those in place. And then cut the flaps. Oh, it has been cut, just very, very subtly. Fold those backward and angled slightly. There we go. Put glue on them, on the inside part. And obviously these go the other side. So these go, oh, a little lively. You will find that these fiddly bits sometimes have a life of their own. So I'm going to place this that side. And you can see already that one of the flaps is not happy at all. And that's actually, it's an easy solve, because you can simply lift it up, add some glue to it. So I'm going to add some glue to it now. Stick it down. You notice another of the flaps has disappeared. Normally it's because it's been manipulated, but it could be because I've touched it several times and it's struggling. I'm going to stick that back, and then use my rubber to make sure that it's really firmly gripped there. And once that's dry, I'll fold it back out. So there's the hat, the Deerstalker.